got some stuff to unpack today. What's going on, guys? It looks like I'm not going to be working on the CRX today. I hope you guys enjoyed the dyno video, and you know, I hope you guys are looking forward as much as I am to see that car go down the track. Hopefully we'll get out there soon and you know, do some testing with that car as well as my CRX. As mentioned, I'm not going to work on the CRX today because I have something else that I got to take care of first. So we got two packages today. This one right here is from Augustcascade, and we'll talk a little bit about that after we open this one first. This right here is from Summit Racing, an item that I've just been not putting off, but I've just been forgetting to freaking order every time I order off Summit Racing. So let's open this up real quick. So here we have, I have an air filter for my catch can that I made for the CRX, so we can finally button this up and not have like crap spewing out of it if there are any. This is 1.5, and my port on the catch can is 1 1/4 or something like that, but you know, we'll make this fit, no problems. Got this from Summit Racing, and it's about $23. This second package right here is from Augustcascade, like I said, and this package right here, before I open it, let's talk about it a little bit. Augustcascade, if you guys don't know, like 10 plus years ago, on YouTube, on the magazines out there in Hawaii, they were a team called Team Rice. And growing up, I've always looked up to Team Rice because they were ahead of their game back in the days. They had some dope ass CRXs, some EKs and EGs and stuff that were really nicely, tastefully modded. Given that this was 10 plus years ago, they did have body kit, but they probably rocked it the hardest. And the Mocha CRX, the tan looking one, was the one that really caught my eyes, and then there was a white one after that. Those cars was like probably the hardest CRX that I've ever seen. Growing up, I didn't even have a car. My brothers both had CRXs, and that was like an iconic car that I wanted my brothers to kind of build off of, you know. But I was younger at the time. I didn't, like, you know, tell them, hey, I want you to build your car like this. But it was definitely something that caught my eyes and something that I admired from that day up until this point. I learned that Augustcascade, Wayne, was the owner of that car, and just recently, along with Augustcascade Sean, you guys probably heard me mention Sean a few times here on the channel, and I actually linked up with those guys, and we've just been talking, reaching out, getting to know each other, which is awesome. You know, being able to talk to the guys and used to look up to as a kid growing up, and here I am doing the same thing that they were doing back in the days. And also, you guys may have noticed that I actually had gotten a Wing West kit for my car to kind of mimic what they had back in the days. I don't know, it's crazy to say, man. Augustcascade, I'm coming on board with these guys, and I'm gonna open this package real quick and talk about what's in here and what we're gonna be doing. Oh snap, yo, did not expect this. You guys don't also know, Augustcascade has an apparel line, and I'll definitely link the description to their website down below. Check them out, support the boys, and yo, that was unexpected. Truly appreciate it, Wayne. And oh, we got some more decals as well. More decals. I already rock it on my wagon right here, Augustcascade in black. You know what I'm saying? Definitely gonna have this for the CRX. Ooh, this one's pretty cool. Here's his card, his contact, Wayne, Sean, 2 raw. All right, so right here we have a swirl pot. Now this is for Wayne's personal car, his comeback car, his Mocha V2 CRX, and this is a swirl pot for Wayne's CRX, and it's all mocked up and it's all pretty much ready to be welded. So they reached out to me and asked me if I could help them weld it, and they would help compensate for it. Y'all ain't compensating nothing. This is on the house. I'm helping them, being a part of the build. I've sent some small items to Wayne before, and you know, I want to help them, you know, to the best of my abilities, whichever way I can. And they asked me if I could fab up this swirl pot for them, and I told them, I said I'm down to do it. So they sent it to me, and today it's gonna be a welding type of day. Oh no, that's pretty dead on. Well, you look at that, guys. We have a filter for our catch can. So what I'm gonna do right now is clean my table up. It's always raggedy, it's always shit everywhere. I grind using this vise, so there's a lot of like dust and debris and stuff sitting here. I'm gonna clean all of that, sweep the floor, clear this whole section out, and you know, a better workspace results in a better, you know, product. And I want to make sure that this can is going to come out to the best of my ability. So clean this up, set that guy up, set my machine up, hook up the 220 volts. Thank God nobody's using the dryer, and we're going to get to welding. I'm going to have to remove all of this masking tape and replace them with this PCV tape right here. This is for welding, because once this heats up, it'll shrink, but it won't leave residue. So what I did was, because I'm gonna have to clean this before I weld it, I took my pick and pretty much mark right there, tracing all of the permanent marker in case I wipe all the black off. I'll have those marks there to ensure the alignment of all the pieces on here before I weld them in place. All right, guys, so I was gonna get ready to weld, but Victor just got here from Placerville. If you guys remember Victor, he was the one that gave me the LS motor, and he came out here a couple weeks ago to pick up the K transmission. We spoke, and I gave in. I said, you know what, I don't think I'm going to be building a K bottom end anytime soon from JBRE, which is the company that I'm going to be going with. I said, yeah, if you're interested in buying the long block, here you go. So he was looking for an engine that, you know, like to rebuild. This was a great platform. If you guys remember, this is the one that was smoking, although it was still running right there in cylinder. I don't know what cylinder this is. 3. And it led me to believe that it has a cracked ringland. All this oil, the blow by that was on this motor, whatever. This was the reason why we bought the RSX and swapped in another stock Type S motor in the wagon. This is a great platform for him to do a rebuild on and build it how he wants to build it, with the piston and rod setup, or, you know, the cams, whatever he has planned for this. You gonna start a channel soon? Oh yeah. K-Swap, DA, Victor. I'm gonna post his you know, his channel in the description when time comes. He is gonna take this apart, and he's gonna tell me, show me what he finds as far as damages go. I'm looking forward to it, because I don't know 100% myself what's wrong with this motor, but he's gonna figure it out. You're gonna tear it down tomorrow. Yeah. You gonna share a little bit on the gram? Oh yeah. I'll put his Instagram in the description below as well too, so y'all can check out his build and follow it. For all the DA lovers out there, the K-Swap guys, this one's gonna be gnarly for sure. So let's get it all loaded up, and you know, have you be on your way, because you got a long ass fucking drive. This aluminum is a lot thinner than the charge piping, or it looks like it's thinner. It feels a lot lighter as well. But I got the top and bottom cap welded in. I dipped probably like 3 times. Guys, I'm not a professional at this. I just know quite a bit to get this, you know, aluminum welding started. Now, it's not completely flat in 3 spots. So you got this guy right here, I'm probably going to sand down. And then I got this one right here, I got to sand down. And then on the bottom, I just have that guy right there. All 3 lines lined up. The outline of the tube is lined up with the permanent marker that's on the can itself. And we should be ready to weld it on. Yeah, we got one of the Limp D welded up, and I'm about to start on this one right here. Gotta line it up, put some tape on it, and then tack it in, remove the tape, fully weld it. So I have both the tubing inlet outlet welded, the -6 is welded, and you know, obviously the top and bottom cap. The last part we're doing right now is the fill neck, and the fill neck came to me, you know, how Wayne wants it set with his markings right there. So lucky for me, the permanent marker are still there, including my line mark that I made with the pick. And I want to make sure that this sucker is going to go on this can exactly how Wayne wants it. And I also want to make sure that this fill neck is dead center to the top of this swirl pot. And what I did to make sure that this was dead centered was I took my digital caliper, I measured the tube, and it was about 78, and then I took the measurement of the fill neck, which was 47, and then the difference between the two was 31, and then I took 31 in half, which is like 15 point whatever, but 15 is ideally where it's going to be at as far as spacing the fill neck on this can and making sure that this is dead center. So 15 right here, all I'm doing really is just tapping this fill neck in all directions to make sure that it is at 15 millimeters all around, to ensure the fill neck is going to be dead centered on the can, because I don't want this to go all crooked. You feel me? Looking good. And I'm about to tape it down and then start welding it. I wish I had 3/30 seconds so I can make some nice beefy weld around the fat edge of that fill neck. Or maybe I could double up the filler rod, I don't know. I should have just bought 1/8, damn it. All right, guys, check it out. We have this swirl pot done, and the top came out a lot better than I had thought it was going to go, because I twisted two 1/16s together to get a bigger rod, and that looks awesome. So again, this is like a DIY swirl pot that Wayne put together and pretty much sent to me to weld it up for him. And I'm not gonna charge him anything, you know what I mean? Like, it's an honor to be a part of Mocha V2 build. And again, these guys were like the people I looked up to when I was younger, and somehow we connected, and here we are touching parts that's gonna be on that CRX. It looks good, honestly. Like, I don't know, I'm truly honored to be a part of the build. Thank you, Wayne. Thank you, Sean, for you know, trusting me to do this for you guys. Tomorrow I'm gonna put some hoses on here. I'm gonna cap off this dash 6, and then I'm gonna put, you know, obviously I'm gonna try to pressure test it, make sure there's no leaks. This is gonna be it for this video, guys. I didn't do anything else. I was just pretty much on and off the welding. I was inside, came back, let this cool down, welded again, and then you know, it's late now, so I'm gonna wrap it up and send some pictures their way so they can check it out and tell me what they think. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like fab videos, and if you guys want to see more fabs, let me know. You know, even practice videos, it's nice to watch. I love watching welding videos. And you know, smack that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.